welcome to Global Connections, your talk show where we explore how international organizations affect our daily lives. Today, we'll be talking about ASEAN, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and how it shapes the government of its member countries, especially here in the Philippines. Let's meet our guests. First, we have a representative from the Department of Foreign Affairs. Ma'am, can you share how ASEAN impacts the Philippine government?
Thank you. ASEAN is very important for us because it creates cooperation between Southeast Asian countries. For example, through ASEAN, the Philippines participate in agreements about trade, security, climate change, and disaster response. ASEAN also gives our government a stronger voice when negotiating with bigger countries like China or the United States.
Interesting. Now let's hear from our expert. Sir, can you explain ASEAN's bigger role in the region?
Certainly, ASEAN is not just a political alliance, it's also an economic community. ASEAN encourages free trade among members. Many products from the Philippines like bananas, pineapples, and electronics can enter neighboring markets more easily. And peace and stability. After all, ASEAN was created to prevent conflicts in Southeast Asia.
That's great. But what about ordinary citizens? How does ASEAN affect daily life in the Philippines?
As a student, I feel ASEAN's impact in education and opportunities. For example, there are ASEAN scholarship and student exchanging programs that allow Filipino to study in Thailand, Malaysia, or Singapore. Even in culture, ASEAN promotes unity through festivals and cultural exchanges. This gives us pride in being a part of bigger Southeast Asian family.
Now, let's hear directly from ASEAN side. Sir, what's the vision of ASEAN for the Philippines and its neighbors?
Asian vision is to build a community that is peaceful, stable, and prosperous for the Philippines. This means a stronger disaster response cooperation because we know the country often face typhoons and earthquakes. Asian countries send help during the calamities, making sure no member state is left behind. Economically, ASEAN aims to raise the living standards of people across the region.
That's inspiring, but some people say ASEAN is slow to make decisions. How would you respond to that?
It's true. ASEAN works by consensus, which means all 10 members must agree. This sometimes slows down the process, but also ensures that every country, or big or small, has an equal voice. That balance is what keeps Asians united for more than 50 years.
I agree. ASEAN's strength lies in unity without consensus. Some countries might dominate others by working together. ASEAN shows that cooperation is possible even with differences in politics, religion, and economy.
Before we wrap up, can you share a concrete example of ASEAN's help to the Philippines in recent years?
Of course. During the COVID-19 pandemic, ASEAN shared medical supplies, vaccines, and expertise. The Philippines also benefited from ASEAN's collaboration with the WHO and other partners. Another example is disaster relief when Super Typhoon Haiyan hit in 2013. ASEAN countries provided immediate assistance.
Thank you for sharing. Now, before we end, I'd like to each of you to give a short statement on why ASEAN is important to the Philippines.
ASEAN gives young Filipinos opportunities to learn, travel, and connect with our neighbors.
ASEAN ensures economic growth and political stability in the region.
ASEAN strengthens the Philippines' international standing and helps us face global challenges.
ASEAN is about unity. 10 nations, one community, moving forward together.
Thank you for our guests for this enlightening discussion. We've been how ASEAN affects not just governments but also the lives of ordinary Filipinos. From trade to disaster relief, education to culture, ASEAN will help the Philippines become stronger as part of a regional community. Until next time, this is Global Connections. Stay informed and stay connected. Thank you.
Thank you.